Imagine tiny drifters, invisible to the naked eye, ruling the vast oceans. That's plankton, microscopic marvels, these miniature plants and animals. No bigger than a grain of rice, form the base of the ocean food chain. Whales, fish, even krill, all depend on them. Oxygen champions. Believe it or not, these tiny titans produce half the Earth's oxygen. That's more than all the rainforests combined. Glowing guardians. Some plankton light up at night, creating an underwater light show that rivals any fireworks display. Climate change champions. By studying planktons, scientists can understand the health of our oceans and how climate change affects them. 2. Future fuel. Forget oil. Plankton might be the key to sustainable biofuels. And next time you look at the ocean, remember it's teeming with these invisible superheroes working tirelessly to keep our planet healthy.